Stop scrolling for a second.
AI
human
power
intelligence with reasoning. Use some form of logic.
Stop scrolling for a second, because what I'm about to explain will change the way you see the world. You've heard the word AI everywhere, right? But let's be real. Most people still don't know what it actually is. And if you're a content creator, not knowing this is like showing up to a boxing match without gloves. So let's fix that right now. What is AI? Simple, surprising explanation. AI, artificial intelligence, sounds scary, but it's not magic. Think of it this way. Imagine a student who spends years reading millions of books, watching videos, listening to podcasts, studying every piece of content available. Now, when you ask this student a question, they don't give you random answers. They use everything they've read to predict the best possible response. That's exactly what AI does. It doesn't think like us. It predicts patterns based on what it has learned from massive amounts of data. That's exactly what AI does. It doesn't think like us. It predicts patterns based on what it has learned from massive amounts of data. Why creators should care? As a YouTube creator, AI is like having a full production team at your side. Imagine a scriptwriter that never gets tired, a designer that can whip up thumbnails instantly, an editor that cuts your videos in seconds. That's the level of power we're talking about. And the crazy part? Most people don't even know how to use it properly yet. So if you thought AI was some futuristic robot takeover, nope. It's already in your pocket, shaping your daily life. The secret: prompt engineering, your superpower. Here's where most people mess up. They just type lazy prompts like, "Write me a script," and then complain when it's boring. But here's how pros like us do it. Weak prompt: write about AI. Power prompt: you are a professional teacher with 9,000 hours of experience explaining AI to YouTube creators who know nothing about it. Break it down simply, compare it to a student learning from books, and finish with 3 examples creators use daily. Write it in a fun, surprising, inspiring way. See the difference? AI is like a camera. You only get a masterpiece if you learn how to use the settings. Here's the truth. AI is not here to replace you, but the person who knows how to use AI will replace the person who doesn't. So my challenge to you is simple. Don't be a passive user. Be the creator who masters this tool. Because when you do, your creativity, your speed, your influence, it all levels up instantly. And if you found this helpful, stick around, because I'm about to show you step by step how to craft prompts that can literally save you hours every single day.
Hit that like button, share this with another creator, and let's dive deeper together. Because the future belongs to those who know how to talk to machines.